Creating a bot is really easy with Collect.Chat. All you need to do is go to description or project and resources. You can visit the website by clicking on the link here. All you need to is sign up using your email or directly sign up with Google. I will sign up using email. You have to create your password here. Here, they are gonna ask you how exactly do you plan to use the chatbot. Widget is something like additional plugin on your website. Let me show you. Look at this. This is how a widget looks. Now, you can use this chatbot without even having a website. You can create a direct landing page and share the link via SMS, email or WhatsApp. The third one is embed. You can even put this chatbot in between of your post or page. If I show you an example, I'm collecting users' email, but instead of this form, I can use the chatbot only in this particular space. Let's start with the widget. This is the small tutorial about using the interface, which I will be showing you right here. These are the options you can choose from. Here's a preview of your widget. Instead of creating a bot from scratch, you can choose pre-built bots from the template. There are hundreds of templates as per the need. You can choose as per your business. Since I'm a blogger, I'm going to use the bot to gain subscribers. Here's a preview of the template as how this template works. Let me interact with it and see. Sure. Nikhil. I'm happy with the article. Yes. Let's give my email address. Okay. This works perfectly. You can also add images during the chat. There are many other templates based on the businesses. If you're a restaurant, you can use it for booking a table, or get a feedback. Or even to get an order. You can collect feedback of your service. If you're in a travel industry, your visitors can even do the booking with you. If you're in finance industry, you can collect leads or take surveys. So, I'm going to use it to get a subscriber. I'll be using a widget. The very first option is to change the position. You can keep the widget in center or on the left side. But the ideal position is always lower right. Instead of chat now, let me ask something interested. Now these are avatars. It is better to use a real image. Let me add it. This pic looks cool. Now your theme should be as per your website's primary colors. If you see, my website has a bluish theme. So, I'll choose blue. Here's a toggle to turn the Collect.Chat branding on or off. I will show you what exactly they are talking about. Here you can see that Collect.Chat's branding is shown. So some curious visitors can click on it and explore by forgetting about your website. It doesn't matter that much, but it is better not to have it. If you want to remove it, you will have to go with the premium plan. Since we are using a free plan, it won't allow us to remove the branding. We will talk about which plan to choose in next classes. Now let's move to script. As we have selected a template, you can see all the elements are already added. You can click on any of them and change the wordings. These are the branching options. As in what to show user based on their response. Let's see the example. What if someone selects nope instead of sure? It will ask response-based answers. Even this option comes with paid plan. But if you're not altering the template that much, you will be using it for free. Now let's try to create a bot from scratch. We will have to delete all the elements here. So now, we have a blank script. We can start with a message. Only hey there should be fine for now. Now let's ask if they are liking the article. You can preview it anytime just to be sure. Then, you can ask their name by selecting text question. Or before that we can ask a multiple choice question if they would like to be notified whenever I put up a new article. You can ask many things from here. Now, let's ask their name. Now once they enter the name, we can personalize the questions by putting his name. See, now I'll be asking his email by using his name. All you have to do is put @ symbol and select the question wherever they had entered the name. This is the error message just in case they enter something which is not an email. Now instead of thank you, you can give your social media links or contact options. You can change your messaging here. Now, there are all kinds of connecting options. All you have to do is choose from the list and enter the details. Let me give my Facebook and Twitter. Now our script is ready. Let's preview how it's working. I'm happy with the article. Sure. My email. You can see here that it is showing social media links. I wanted to show what happens if someone selects no thanks. Selecting no thanks will just ask the next question because we haven't selected any branching. Better not to add such options or use a template, because branching is only available in paid plans. You can see all the responses here. You can also see that how many have interacted with the bot and how many of visitors have actually filled all the details. Here you can see how people interact with the option to analyze how people are responding. This is your main dashboard where you can see all the bots. You can create unlimited bots for different pages. In Dashboard, you can select if you wish to create a new bot with a template or from scratch. Now in the next class we will learn how to integrate the bot to our website.